Building AI apps used to be something only big tech companies could do. Millions in funding, complex code, endless setup. But now, you can literally build an AI-powered app in minutes from your browser without writing a single line of code. And it's all thanks to tools like Claude, Codex, Cursor. And now, Google released one of the best model to build app inside Google AI Studio. This is Google's own playground for creating intelligent apps. It's not just a chat box. You can actually build, test, and deploy full AI-powered workflows. Everything from writing assistants to content generators to data analyzers. And here's the wild part. You don't need to be a developer to do it. All you need is an idea and a few lines of plain English telling the AI what to do. With build function, you can turn that idea into a mini app instantly. Want to summarize PDFs? Boom! Generate content for social media? Done. Analyze images or chat with documents? That too. Think of it like your AI lab, where you describe what you want, and Google's AI does the heavy lifting, logic, interface, and even code exports. So in this video, I'm going to show you just how powerful Google AI Studio's new build feature really is. And stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to market your AI app using Google's brand new model, Pomeli, and trust me, it's absolutely mind-blowing. Now, the idea I'm building today is called AI Meeting Notes Summarizer, an app that can read an entire meeting transcript and instantly generate the key points, decisions, and action items. So first, let's jump into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a perfect prompt to build this app inside Google AI Studio. Give a prompt to build an app in Google AI Studio AI Meeting Notes Summarizer app that can summarize the meeting discussion in cards 1. Summarize the main discussion points. 2. List all key decisions made. 3. Extract clear action items. 4. Capture the overall tone or sentiment of the meeting. While that's cooking, let's open Google AI Studio. The first screen says, Build your ideas with Gemini, and that's exactly what we're doing. Let's take a quick look at the gallery section. Here, you'll find pre-built AI apps like Paint a Place and Fast Forward. That one's super popular. You upload your photo and it shows how you might look when you're older. The cool thing? When you open one of these, you can actually see the app interface, check out the code, and even edit it further by chatting directly with Gemini. And once you're happy with it, you can download the code or deploy it, all in just a few clicks. Now, there's also a Your Apps section, which keeps all your previous projects, so you can revisit or continue working on them anytime. All right, let's not waste time. We've got our prompt ready from ChatGPT. Let's copy it, paste it right here in AI Studio. It started building the app instantly, and interestingly, it's using Gemini 2.5 Pro, one of Google's most advanced models. The cool thing is, you get access to this paid model for a limited number of conversations. Once your quota runs out, it automatically switches to a lighter version so your workflow doesn't stop. And if you've got your own paid API key, Google AI Studio seamlessly switches back to Pro whenever your quota resets. While your app is being built, the preview panel shows Gemini's smart suggestions, offering ideas for new features, API integrations, and other improvements to make your project even more powerful. Now look at this. Our AI Meeting Notes Summarizer app is ready. All I need to do is paste the meeting transcript and hit Summarize. In a few seconds, it breaks the entire conversation into clean, structured cards, each one summarizing a specific topic, decision, or action item. This is seriously impressive. Let's make it full screen so you can see it properly. You can also preview how your app looks on a phone, tablet, or desktop, and even rotate the view in real time. It's a complete end-to-end playground. Now, if you check here, you can actually view the full code of this app, download it, or push it directly to GitHub. From there, you can deploy it on Google Cloud in just one click. This is literally the future of app creation. No setup, no environment, just an idea and an interface. But honestly, I'm not loving this blue color theme. So let's just ask the model to change the UI theme to white. Watch this. It's updating the file and rewriting the color function in real time. Done. And the app instantly refreshes with a clean white interface. That's literally design editing by conversation. Now, I also don't love how it's showing the summaries. The layout feels a bit cluttered. So let's fix that using the Edit feature. Click on this little pencil icon and a design palette opens up. Here, you can highlight any section, draw rectangles around UI elements, and add comments like, "Show all summary cards in a vertical layout." Use emojis instead of bullet points for key actions. You can even change the color of your highlighter or draw arrows to suggest design tweaks. For example, keep the logo here, or add a border around these cards. Once you're happy with your edits, just hit Add to Chat. The model now takes a screenshot of your current screen, interprets your instructions visually, and updates the app automatically. A few seconds later, bam, the new version is ready. And wow, look at this! The logo is perfectly placed, all the cards are neatly stacked vertically, and it even added emojis to make the summaries more expressive. This whole visual editing experience feels like you're coding with vibes, not syntax. Once your app is ready, the next step is marketing, and that's where Google's new platform, Pomeli, comes in. Pomeli is an AI-powered marketing studio that helps you launch your app fast. It can create ad campaigns, social posts, and video ideas automatically, all based on just a short description of your app. If you want me to make a quick tutorial on how to use Pomeli to market your app, comment Pomeli tutorial below, and I'll make that next. Thanks for watching this video.